I'm here at Casa Cabana picking up a custom outhouse. Build sheds, docks, and outhouses. It's gonna load me up with the forklift. And there's a box too, a 4x4 box that goes underneath it.
Just slide it ahead. You know, we can get it up to here on the end of the forks, then we just slide it off the forks and slide it up.
That's the outhouse. A foot? Okay. Okay. Just regraded everything. My dad came here with the fifth wheel. All regraded. All right, so this is the steepest part. See how he does sending it up. Half ton pulling a big fifth wheel. Okay, now straight. I put this awning, but yeah, that's good. Well, we'll cut those branches and stuff. I'm gonna around to bring you. This outhouse is at my brother's build site, and this is where it's going. Let's take some stumps out, clean this up, and start digging the hole.
How deep are you?
Yeah, 4 feet.
We'll try to put it like this way though, somewhat, as much as we can. But
Like what?
I'm
Like-
just thinking towards the view would be the. Oh, monkey! Oh, he's. Edge. We're gonna just let it go.
Well, we'll snap it. Let's go down slowly. Okay, it's good.
Sorry. Even if it's up a bit.
There.
Monty behind you.
There, that's good there.
Perfect. And then back here. Here, I got my shovel that I got for free.
Got the box in the hole. Backfilling, gonna get it nice and level. Facing the view. Level that way.
Good.
Level. And level. Perfect.
Yes, you know what? Cedar is the one that lasts the longest in the wood, in the ground. Slide it over.
Oh. Let it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh no!
Oh,
Okay,
yeah, nice.
hang on. This is
Well, we should lift it.
Yeah.
Lift that corner and then push that way. Yeah.
perfect. Nice.
Holy,
Okay.
it's going.
Okay.
Okay. And then put the little shift.
How much on that side?
Okay, we're going. Sit on that toilet. Just pretend like you're looking out. Yeah.
The
I
outhouse
want
is
to make
in.
a garden here, but
Yeah, but I feel strong about the birch.
birch, yeah.
I feel strong. Yeah, but it's leaning right against my. Yeah.
So I.
Wow, is it both the can?
You can see the mountains back there. So he's gonna clear some of this and this will be a nice view.